Imagine there was a chat interface where you could ask anything you want about your policy. We know you want that, so we've created Sense, a whole-of-government business intelligence tool powered by a large language model. Simply hook it up to your database and ask any questions you want. Today, we're using open datasets from the Housing Development Board on resale flat demand and prices. We've already asked what datasets HDB has given us, and we see that there are 3 data tables that tell us the demand, HDB price index, and resale prices. Gone are the days when you had to wait hours or weeks just to know what data you had in your system. Excited? So am I. Let's ask Sense to calculate the first, second, and third resale prices for each HDB flat. Sense is an intelligent tool that knows you'll be using the HDB resale prices data table. Since there's no unique ID for each HDB flat, it also creates a unique ID by combining the block, street name, floor area, flat model, and lease commence date. Sense also creates all the completed code for you, so you don't have to. And amazing, you get your answer without all the hassle of coordination between policy and data analysts. Sense is able to deal with any queries as long as you hook it up to the relevant data table in your agency. Want to know the year-on-year increase in the HDB resale price index? Just ask away. And within seconds, Sense calculates the percentage year-on-year increases in the HDB resale price index. Now, the true value of Sense is its ability to act as a policy companion. We've designed it such that it understands the context of your policy. Suppose you want to know how the number of years remaining in lease affects the average resale price. You can just ask Sense directly. As before, Sense knows that it should be using the date of sale and the lease commence date to calculate the number of years remaining in the lease. What's even more amazing is how Sense knows your policy context, that the default lease period is 99 years for Singapore HDB flats. If you're not satisfied with such a high-level calculation, you can ask Sense for more. In this case, we can ask Sense to group the calculations by the town of the HDB flats. Sense is now able to give you the previous table, grouped by the towns of the various flats. For our last demonstration, let's investigate the HDB demand table. Now this table is huge, so let's get Sense to extract only the end year and demand for flats data fields. And let's exclude the rental flats from the table as well. Within seconds, Sense extracts the 2 relevant columns and filters out the rental flat values. Sense also allows you to perform simulations. Let's ask Sense to create one more column that gives us the 5-year moving average of the resale price index. This is an easy task for Sense, which creates the desired column. But seems like the data is still quite dirty. Let Sense handle the hassle of cleaning it up for you. Let's ask Sense to remove all rows where the value of the 5-year moving average is not present, and also to retain only the largest 5-year moving average value. And there you go, concise table showing only the values that you need. With Sense, fret no more about policy calculations and focus on asking the right policy questions.